Money Mike.
And we're coming into you hype today.
Hot.
Way more hype than last time.
This is true. I mean, doesn't take.
But what are we hyped about? I don't know.
The markets are just like at a turning point. This is Quasimodo's seesaw right now. Who knows where it's gonna go, but it's gonna be ugly.
Right?
Oh yes.
Look at that. So we had that Bitcoin trade right off the gate.
Yeah, why don't you bring up that oh yeah.
We
There
sold
it is.
before we got on stream because I noticed that we came up to the I show you on here. Midnight open. So the daily open are yellow lines. Came up to that, and usually when I see if we hit the daily open, boom, I'm selling, dude.
Nice.
Probably could even short, probably short right there. To be honest.
Yeah, I mean, if you had shorted right there, life would be good. But I would not short this thing right now.
Look at that candle though. See that wick in that? So this is the 15-minute chart. Look at how it came up to that open, and I wish. Let's go to the 1 minute. Look how fast it did it. Right. So anybody who's trading the 1 minute chart and all they do is listen to YouTube and they trade patterns, they don't understand the markets are out to rob you. They see this as a rising wedge and they would take a short right here. Where's their stop loss? Bingo, you're right. Right up there. So in a way we could take a short, right? Stop
Oh
loss.
boy, you just opened a long, didn't you? Oh, you opened
No,
a
that's a
short.
short.
Oh, nice.
It's not the because we kind of caught this late. Not the best entry. Because now it's only like a 1 to 2, not even. You know what I'm saying? Until we can tighten up the stop loss, it's basically a 1 to 2. But once you view this in the way that we're showing you, it's like, well, we might as well play the trade and see if it plays out, right? Because why not? We're on the Manic Money Finance channel. It's funny though. It's funny once you start seeing it for what it is.
I mean, most of the trades that we've done during the live stream like this have actually paid us, which is kind of crazy to think about.
It's crazy, right? Because if you were to just look at trading on the surface level, I love how it's making a great example of what I'm showing you right now. But if you look at it on YouTube at the surface level, and what do they start teaching? They teach you how to trade patterns. They teach you RSI, or it's the Bollinger Bands or whatever. A lot of different indicators. And I've gone down those roads, and it's good to know that. It's good to know that stuff. But never fully works out. And this is a perfect example as to why every time I traded a pattern, like, oh, that's a rising wedge, I would always get stopped out, and then boom, it would go right to my target after I got
Jesus.
stopped out. And then this is the stuff, right? I'm showing you right here. This is the stuff that would make any trader want to quit. They would not ever want to trade ever again.
That's crazy, dude. Do you see the gaps in those freaking candles?
They're gapping. Yeah, that's smart money, right? That's smart money. This is a rising wedge, right? Patterns do work. They do work, right? You first have to understand this concept that when you have your stop losses up here, that's liquidity. And the market makers can see that.
Wait a
That's
second.
an order on the book.
Where did this close on Friday? because this could be a gap down to the futures. The date.
Where did it close on Friday?
Yeah, so the 8 p.m. on Friday, which is the UTC close for the daily.
73,373.
29th? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the gap down to the futures. So it matches up. That's beautiful. Remember we've talked about this on stream.
What? Oh,
The gap
you're
down
talking
to the futures.
gap. Was it on the daily, I think?
Yeah, it's going to be at the same price right now.
It's one down here.
On Friday, that's Wednesday. So Friday was the 29th. It's the last candle because there's going to be no other candles. Because the future market has been closed since.
Yeah, I'm not remembering what you were talking about.
So the gap down to the futures thing that happens is like when if the futures were lower and it goes up over the weekend after the future market closes on Friday evening, typically the
Yeah.
Bitcoin price will gap down to meet.
Yeah, it didn't make any gap over the weekend.
Huh.
It's basically stayed at the same level.
That's interesting. So Bitcoin's just tanking right now.
We'll see. I don't know. This is just a 1 minute chart, and it's just chopping in the range.
Still making money off that trade.
We'll see.
Yeah. We shall see. Yeah, it's crazy.
Anyway, what so you had some crypto stuff, right?
Yeah, Zora. Zora,
Yeah.
that's an oldie but goodie for me. Yeah, bring up the chart. Nice. I usually look at the Coinbase chart. That's good
Yeah,
too.
these are the perpetuals.
Yeah, so Zora is one of those random cryptos that is actually US based. It's a social media crypto. So usually Coinbase with their high liquidity is the place that most people are trading Zora. It actually does not, but they have all kinds of freaking exchanges they trade on. So like the liquidity, the barrier for entry is low. And I made a lot of money on this one in 2025, and I saw it basically just freaking killing it over the weekend compared to Bitcoin. So I jumped back in today at the around noon. You see that big old green candle right at the end?
Right? This is usually the sign like when something like this pops off.
Yeah, dude. Like I saw this today. So I've been running Zcash the past couple weekends because they have the headwinds. You know, the SEC. They beat the SEC. They have a bunch of billionaires shilling for them right now. And then today I saw Zora. I got out of my Zcash trade, people. Break even. Hallelujah. And I saw this thing today. So I threw a little bit into this. Nothing major. Nothing that I would even care about, you know. I bought 111,111 Zoras for about a penny a piece. So, like this one, I could care less at this point. I'll just sell it if I feel like it. It's literally pocket change, kinda.
Yeah, well, we'll see if anything happens, you know?
Yeah, it's just the volume. So I was telling you about this earlier. So I've noticed a trend with cryptocurrencies when it comes to volume. If the volume is significantly higher than 10% of the market cap, it typically goes up. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I've noticed that the volume is, you know, the same as the market cap, which that has been the case for this in the past 24 hours. It's time to get in because there's just too much liquidity. There's too many people buying. There's too many eyes on it. And usually it ends up gapping up like crazy. Because right now, Zora is trading on Coinbase for, 11.54. On Robinhood, it's 11.47. So there's a, price disparity there. An arbitrage opportunity, maybe. In the longer
Interesting.
time frames, like you're showing right now, it looks like garbage.
I mean, it looks like it had this channel. It broke out of it once, and then it kind of doing it again.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see.
Yeah,
But this time, it's like a big candle. So
is that daily candles right now you're showing me? 1 day candles?
yeah.
Nice.
And typically, when you see a big daily candle like that, it's usually a sign.
Yeah, right now it's almost up to 11.6 on Coinbase. We're 11.5 on Robinhood. I'm up 4% right now, 5%. So I'm not gonna complain. It was just a kind of a whim. I can only stay out of the market for so long. Start getting the itch, bro.
Huh.
start feeling it. Gotta have some skin in the game. Oh God, what do you
Wasn't
bring
that
up now?
the Nasdaq crazy?
Yeah,
You
the
were talking.
Nasdaq is about to open up in 30 minutes. The futures. I don't think it's gonna be good this week though. I think we're gonna have a bad first week of the month.
You know the way this thing's moving, it looks like it's just gonna keep charging up.
I know that.
That sounds ridiculous, right?
No, not at all. The message boards, dude, it is hilarious right now. The bears are pissed off. They're just like, okay, I keep trying to time the market. I keep trying to short it. I'm waiting for that pullback and it doesn't come. Like us 2 weeks ago when we were thinking that this market's gonna pull back and it did.
Watch it just go crazy.
That would be hilarious. There's no catalyst right now. There's no earnings, major earnings. The only thing we have coming up right now is IPOs on all the major AI companies and SpaceX. That's probably going to happen this summer.
Our target for the Nasdaq is 34,262.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, that's where it's going.
And to be completely honest with you, as far as like the war goes overseas and everything, these tech companies are either highly insulated or end up benefiting like tertiarily, if that's a word. They end up benefiting from this because you always need chips. Everything runs on computers nowadays.
It only goes up, right? No. We'll
Right
see.
now, that's what it has been doing to the point where the bears, like if you go on the message boards, like on StockTwits and the Barron's message boards for like Nasdaq, the S&P, it's literally, dude. I probably if I go on right now, it'll be the same thing. The bears are just freaking out over the fact the markets keep going up. It is.
Yeah, it just keeps going up. So
Well, because a lot of day traders trade perpetual futures on the market. It literally, yep. The first post I see is, "Don't worry, peoples. Trump is going to say we shall bomb Iran and markets will fall." Bearish. It is literally everybody bringing politics into this and freaking out about the fact that the markets are not dropping. It's crazy.
yeah, They're trying to chase the position like we were just describing with Bitcoin,
Oh
you
yeah,
know?
exactly.
Speaking of Bitcoin,
Look at that.
there we go. That's how you do a trade, guys.
I know
Very
you've
simple.
been in a flow state with this, bro. Like if you can carry this momentum over into a live trading account, that sh- that
Right?
that stuff's gonna blow up.
That'd be crazy, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's
I
like
think I know the concept
you
now.
gotta you gotta attack it with the same spirit that you're doing it now. Like this is not real money.
Yeah, it's weird how that happens. I don't know.
Even Hyperliquid, the cryptocurrency, even that's at $72 right now. New all
Huh.
time high.
Interesting.
Oh yeah, Zora's on there on the trending cryptos or trending. Actually, I look at all, and right now it's like Hype, Render,
Huh.
Zora. There's a lot of freaking cryptos right now trending in the top 10 between all of the asset classes.
Might be I don't know. We'll see, Mike. That's the pretty sure. It's the unicorn model.
What's that? The unicorn model.
The fair value gap with the bullish order block.
Okay.
That means up.
Yeah, I think if it's me right now, I'd be buying Bitcoin.
Should put like ugh.
Buy 10
Figure
Bitcoin.
out how I can get some money into Bitcoin right now.
I would be buying 10 Bitcoin right now. Cuz
Do it.
you know the Asian
Long
markets are
term
going to
play.
reverse it. Huh?
Long term play.
10 10 Bitcoin.
Don't do that.
Why not? This account is up so much, dude.
And then you blow it up. It's like you should have this flow state. And then just go buy 10 Bitcoin, blow up the account.
I mean, you can always put a tight stop loss in. What is this account at? 56,500? Like this is not real money. This is paper trading.
And then just like make it like into $1 million account. I've done that before. It's just like,
You end up
like
closing
do
it
it
out.
realistically, you know?
You just end up
If like
closing
you
it.
were actually taking the trade with your money.
I would just put tight stop losses like I do when I'm day trading. Super tight.
Yeah, but this one's on the daily. I guess yeah, you could just frame it in that way. You know how to do that, right?
Who me? I throw darts at a wall, bro. I shake a magic 8 ball. Should I buy? Unclear.
Let's see what happens, I guess, right?
That's the problem with me trying to explain this stuff to people. It's because I've been doing it for so long, and I don't have a concrete tactic with which I trade. Yeah, I would definitely be buying right now. 10 Bitcoin. Just do it.
Do it.
73.55. It's stalling out towards the short side. I think we've already.
Also, yeah, you should just fucking
Just put the tightest.
in Bitcoin.
Yeah, no, it looks like it's breaking down right now.
Just buy 10 Bitcoin while it's like crashing.
Just do it. Just do it right now. Right now. Do it. Do it. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
No, we gotta wait.
No, right now. Just do it, dude.
Should have just held on to that short. Is what we should have done.
No, No, it's about to turn around right now. An hour before the Asian markets open. Like I'm literally watching the live chart right now. And I'm telling you, this thing is literally flipping. You just do it. Trust me. It's faking everybody out. Everybody thinks this thing is going down right now. And it's just gonna provide you entrance liquidity.
Yeah, and this time it's like you just watch the 1 minute chart and you wait for the reversal pattern.
Confirmation, which is yeah, which is literally playing out in front of our eyes. No, it
It definitely is not.
isn't.
It definitely looks like it's charging towards some pool of liquidity.
Dude, I can't even imagine like trading on a Sunday night. Like you're so amped up about trading that you are jumping on Bitcoin at a Sunday night 22 minutes before the futures market opens and before any major financial markets open, and you're just like, "Yeah, man, I got to get that trade in."
Yeah, it's retail.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's crashing.
Should have just held that short though. But we got our piece. That's all.
You had it was such a fast move. So it's like now it's like trying to find the bottom. Like I would be waiting for it to start to curl up, show resistance or support, whatever you want to call it, and that is not happening. Oi, oi.
Yeah, it's going somewhere and it looks like it's hungry.
Yeah, the 73.5 looked good, but then it just.
Yeah, it hesitated right there at the midway point. We'll see what happens here.
I mean, Zora is definitely doing better than Bitcoin right now. That's another major reason why I jumped into this today. But even that is starting to tank right now.
See, this is the Friday open, so be interesting. Probably gonna go there. We'll see
Oh,
what
okay.
happens. It's that line. Because that's where the candle uh that's where the candle opened on Friday.
Yeah, I think it's actually starting to gain footing right now and turn around. 73.45.
We'll see.
The chart's starting to curl up.
It's curling up.
See, this is
We'll
where
see what happens.
yeah. In other news, I'm still into snail. I'm still into that position. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gaps aplenty. But
It's pretty much at the midway point. It could go either way.
I have tons of dry powder too. It's just my position is so large into this that I am waiting for the opportunity. I mean, I'm still watching Oriental Rise and OSRH as well. As oil is just too crazy right now. And I'll be honest, I do not trade the major indexes in general. So, yep. I do not trade the major indexes in general, but I like this one for this week. We got 3 of these daily candles.
Yeah, but they're weird. Got all these tails on them.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah, because the trading range is crazy on this, dude. We kissed $1 the last trading day on Friday.
Yeah, it got close.
Yeah, it's so that, and the intraday trading on this is absolutely insane. And anybody that's watching looking at the charts is seeing, okay, this thing usually does not print more than 3 green candles on the daily. So on Monday, the shorts are probably going to be attacking this thing, and you see the dips, and then the absolute surges to the upside. It's crazy. Like
It's
this,
some. You got two big spikes here.
yeah. So one of those was earnings, and one of those was the Arc Evolved game release. So this company is like at the point now where they put in a ton of development and time and money into creating a bunch of games, and they're going to be releasing, I think, 2 AAA games this year, and then a bunch of smaller games, a bunch of indie games. So like they're profitable now for the first time ever, and you know people are definitely watching this stock.
Yeah, that's definitely the biggest candle that's ever been printed
Oh yeah,
on the chip.
that was Ark Survival Evolved. That was a release of the game, and the next gap up was the earnings. That one in the middle of May. Yeah, that was earnings. It is crazy. Like I didn't even find this thing till this second gap up here, and you see the price action and where the support is and stuff. It's basically this stock is trying to find the $1 plus uh, Nasdaq rule for minimum bid compliance. So I mean,
Where's your target?
me
Yeah.
over $1. Anything over $1 is cash money.
Hey,
Yeah,
all right.
cash money all day. Because that's where I'm in the profit.
What is it? OS.
RH. OSRH is right into that consolidation zone, the capitulation zone again. You see, like, anytime it gets down into the 40s, you typically in the past, anytime it gets down into the 40s, you buy, you're going to make money. Not financial advisor. Obviously, past price is no indicator of future success with a stock like this. But the CEO has already been on the record saying he does not plan to reverse split, and they had a annual meeting within the past couple weeks, and they did not even vote on a reverse split. They just voted to keep the board of directors the same, and they voted to keep their financial firm the same. That's it. And this company has a nearly $1 billion commercialization deal with a major pharmaceutical company. And so basically in September, that company is going to buy their shares at $10 a share. So
That would be crazy.
this is a long haul stock without a doubt. So I just keep an eye on it. And anytime it bounces into the 40s, I typically tend to buy. So I'll be eyeing this bad boy up on Monday. Because that's, yeah, you're talking hundreds of millions of dollars in capital surging into the stock. The problem is you have to wait 4 months for it, between 4 and 5 months for it. So that's the only problem. They're not going to get any injections for 4 to 5 months. So who knows where this thing goes until then.
Yeah, we want to see it break back above this.
Yeah. Anything above 45. This is one of those stocks, though, like once it starts surging and it hits 50, it typically carries on over that. And you can at least get out with a profit, if not break even. Like, this is not something that you have to keep an eye on and really target the low and catch the falling knife. You can, okay, this thing's breaking. It's going above 50. I'll buy now. And you can scalp for a few pennies if you feel like it. You could be an old.
Yeah, a lot of resistance at like 80 cents.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a trash stock. It's a penny stock in every single
It's a trash stock.
every aspect of the word. Yeah, anything that can't maintain $1, dude, on the Nasdaq is just viewed as trash. especially if it's overseas. Like a domestic company has a lot more of an advantage compared to overseas stocks because so many people have gotten screwed over on Chinese stocks, Philippine stocks. So like anytime they see, oh, this is a foreign stock, they don't want to buy. That's why Supercom has faced so much headwinds. It's a freaking amazing stock. They're just killing it, but they can't get over $12 a share.
So she's not the girl you take home to show to mom.
I don't know. I feel like the overseas girl would be way better than the domestic girl, but that's a totally different conversation.
Yeah, we're gonna get banned for no. You actually probably wouldn't.
If she can't
But
speak English, what is she gonna say to your mom? That your mom's gonna be like, "I'm disappointed in you."
yeah, that would be a awkward conversation.
See, that's a totally yeah. This is not really relatable though.
Yeah, can't say I've lived that life.
No. I did date a German chick, but she had been her mom was American and she had been living in America since she turned like, 16. So, she knew English.
Hmm.
Her accent sounded more like a speech impediment than anything.
Oh man.
They used to speak German all the time when I would go over there. It was funny.
Hmm.
I
Yeah, I
didn't
grew up
care.
around that.
Yeah, I didn't care, but the older sister's Puerto Rican boyfriend had a problem with it. He used to yell English at them all the time. English!
That's fucked up.
Yeah, I mean, what do I know? I'm just born and bred crazy New England American.
Loves his Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, yeah. Haven't had Dunkin' in a while. So the other one I'm eyeing up this week is Oriental Rise. ORIS.
Hmm.
It's another garbage penny stock. Just to This company has $40 million in cash minimum. It could be as much as $100 million in cash. Their market cap is like 5 million.
Nice.
It makes no sense, dude. I think because it's a Cayman Islands registered company, and in the Cayman Islands, you do not have to follow the stock market rules. It's like, I don't know, it's a weird thing they do. Where if your company's based in the Cayman Islands, you don't have to do any reporting. You don't have to release earnings on time. You can just kind of do whatever the hell you want. So it really hurts the stock. But you see that curling up. You see that happy face forming.
It's an interesting name, I do have to say.
Oriental Rise? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a tea company. They sell tea online. And they have like 5 different letter of intents to acquire other online tea companies right now. Ones that do millions of dollars in revenue. If any of those LOIs go through and they buy any of those tea companies, this thing is going to the moon. They have a 4-for-1 reverse split right now, ready to go in the chamber if they need it. They have not announced it yet. It's ready to go, but they are not doing it at the moment. That could change tomorrow, though. Yep. Oh, yeah. These are high-risk stocks. These are stuff you have to keep an eye on. Tight stop losses. Like, you have to be dynamic in your trading with these stocks. This is not, like, for the faint of heart. This is not for your typical futures or index traders.
This is gambling. But when you hit big, you hit big.
Yeah, but I mean, gambling. So, like, I always say, gambling, you have the opportunity to lose it all, right? So, if you buy into this stock at 53 cents right now, if you were able to buy it right now, and you put your stop loss in at 50 cents, like, the most you're gonna lose is 3 pennies, 6 pennies on the dollar. So it's like if you could go into a casino and ensure that you would only lose 6%, but your gains could be, you know, quadruple, 5, 6 times. Like that's not really gambling anymore. You've
It's just different.
you've
Yeah.
mitigated your loss down to
It's
almost
definitely it's definitely smarter to do it that way. Obviously not financial advice, but if you love to go to the casino and gamble cuz you know, you love the excitement, yeah, go ahead and go to the casino. But what Mike just described here is exactly why um I personally would never go to the casino with my money.
but if you can
I mean,
ensure,
I've gone to casino, could like have a good time with my friends. I know I'm like whatever, screw the money, you know. But
yeah, a couple $100,
yeah,
like yeah. But it's like if you could ensure that you would only lose 6% at the casino, like it's no longer the casino.
yeah. Well, you don't get that high probability. You don't get a win rate like that at the casino. It's not as high probability as this. If you're smart and you're willing to learn this stuff and study it, then yeah, I mean, you see us do it every day. Every time we come on live stream, and I only I learned this stuff through the internet. So
Yeah.
find a good mentor. That's what I gotta say.
Zora is hitting all-time highs for the day right now.
What's it's blasting off.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's crazy, dude. I it has not had candles this big all day, so the volume is pouring in right now, and it is starting to go parabolic. That is crazy.
And I wish I had some dry powder on the side right now. I got a bunch of stuff I have to take care of.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't worry about it. It's abundance mindset, so there's always more opportunities. Like that's just how you have to be. You know, that's how you have to be in this. Like you can't sit there and look at stocks, equities, cryptos, and stuff that freaking just take off after you get out. You know, you made your measured move, you made your money, you stuck with your plan, and then it freaking goes parabolic after you leave. It is what it is at that point, you know. You can't get into that trap of unrealized gains or the FOMO, etc. Because that's just gonna get you chasing later, and that's no bueno.
Yeah, I should do a futures account with Bitcoin again.
Yeah, I mean, are you able to trade leverage on a futures account?
Yeah,
Nice.
you
Yeah, with
trade. I think what is it now? 500x leverage.
really they just like pulled the
I
top
don't.
off
It's
it.
probably more than that.
That's crazy.
Like 5,000x leverage.
I did some research this weekend because I do not like the spreads on Robinhood. They're horrific. They're as bad, if not worse, than Coinbase. So when you buy in, you're buying in at a substantially lower price than it's trading at. So then when you go to sell, you have to sell at a substantially, or no, you're buying it at a substantially higher price than it's trading at. And when you sell, you're selling at a substantially lower price. So
Oh yeah.
basically, what I saw as far as U.S. Traders go, Kraken Pro is the best, like by far. If you're
Mm.
just trying to trade crypto without leverage for
Oh yeah,
decent spread.
Kraken's where it's at.
Yeah, and they said always go with the pro or advanced trading platforms that are tailored to professional traders, etc. Less maker and taker fees, all that stuff.
Right? But yeah,
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Do we have anything else? Did we? We covered everything there.
Well, I mean, we haven't talked about economic data this week, but it is the first week of the month, so we got non-farm payroll on Friday, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you watch a show, you already know what happens every first week of the month. So
Besides that, though, there's not. I mean, the ADP National Employment Report, U.S. Manufacturing PMI on Monday, right after the market opens. But yeah, until Friday, it's not much. So, I mean, and we are in a market right now that has been going nuts the past month. I'm expecting a pullback, but I could just be a crazy person. I mean,
yeah, well, oh no, I'm just gonna say, don't fight the trend.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah, because it's
that's
like
all I.
the futures and the overnight market is about to open up here in about 90 seconds.
Oh yeah, we gotta see what happens.
So really, I'm honestly kind of gravitating over towards gold and silver this week.
Oh yeah.
As crazy as that sounds, but those two markets are overdue for a pop.
Let's see.
I mean, they've already started swinging to the upside right after we talked about them. Yep, they've already started swinging to the upside.
Hmm.
Nice V-shaped recovery there.
Yeah, this looks like it's a flag that could break out here. Nice consolidation. It's pretty big. We'll be conservative on this. Yeah, gold looks like it can go insane here.
Just with everything that's going on.
$6,000, $6,700 gold.
Ounces.
I'll say it right. It's going to 10. Going to 10K. No.
By the end of the year.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be wild. Yeah, no, I just like them because they're very like if there's a lot of crap going on politically, geopolitically, like gold and silver are always the way to go. And yeah, they tend so right now they look better than Bitcoin. Not gonna lie, mostly because of this most recent spike. But it's like people need this stuff for multiple different reasons. Obviously, inflation proof or inflation resistant commodity, but at the same time, it's something that we use in circuit boards, electronics, etc., etc. It is, at the end of the day, the original rare earth metal.
Yeah, they use it a lot, you know, and it's going to be used a lot more.
Yep. So when you get into a week like this where it's like everything could just fall apart, if all else fails, buy some gold. It's worst case scenario. You throw it in your safe at home and you just, you know,
That's what I did.
sit on it.
I got silver twos. I was averaging in down here
Nice.
and it just went crazy. So,
Oh man, we are printing giant red candles on Zora right now.
yeah, what's going on with Bitcoin?
It can't be good.
We should add like a background music to our thing, you know?
Yeah, I mean you must have loops. Like you have some lo-fi music that you made.
Um, I would have to go through my computer. It's been a while since I've made music.
I mean you have a ton, dude. You have so much music that you've made that we could just like you could like loop something for an hour
We'd have to make something like an hour, yeah.
for 30 minutes. I get two going, get one for 30 minutes, and then amp up the energy for the next 30. You know,
Yeah, I could do that.
the world is our oyster. Yeah, Bitcoin just printed a huge green candle. Is up to
Huge green candle
yeah,
or a
up
huge red candle.
73.7. You're looking at what are you looking at right now?
What's the
Binance.
futures? No, that's weird. Interesting. Look at that.
So get
Coinbase and compared to,
yeah,
is
that's
this the
crazy.
futures? No,
Futures are green
futures
too.
are open.
That's where it's coming from is the futures.
Oh,
So yeah, if we had bought into the 73.45, life would be good right now. All other cryptos are
but
probably gonna go up with it.
yeah, we just wait and see.
Yeah, Zcash is at 572. Probably just should
Yeah.
have stayed in that trade.
Well, you could always get back in and then dumps.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. I like having the liquidity for the stock market tomorrow because I will be doing a day trading live stream. Whether it turns into anything, we'll see. But killed it on Friday, so and I didn't have live funds on Friday, so being able to go into it with some actual live funds, even if I don't do a single trade because of the how sketchy the markets are.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I have that opportunity, so it's a beautiful thing.
Wonder what Bitcoin's gonna do here. It's
I think
interesting because, yeah, I mean, see that that's not on the futures chart.
not the Bitcoin futures.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah. Not on the Binance futures, but the CME futures. Those should
Yeah,
be
there's no
open.
gap here.
Oh
These
yeah.
cam like they overlap.
I don't
So
know. It looks like it's
it
turning and burning.
looks like it's gonna keep dumping.
It's the Asian markets though, so this could be a total fake out liquidity hunt. And then in 24 minutes here, when we get to 8:30 p.m., this thing could just dump out.
Yeah, it's gonna it's reaching for this. I mean, that's on the futures. So I would keep an eye on this gap here. It just left. It probably is gonna reach for this.
Yeah, it's interesting because no matter how many correlations you can make between Bitcoin trading and the traditional finance, the TradFi markets, it's like Bitcoin sometimes will ratchet up on Sunday night, and the TradFi markets do the opposite.
Hmm.
But I would actually check out the TradFi markets right now because we waited till 8 p.m. so we could see exactly what's happening. Nasdaq is surging. Nasdaq
Yep, we
is
told you.
hitting. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Reaching up above the all-time
New
high right now
all-time highs.
in overnight trading. That is crazy, dude. It's 7 minutes. 7 minutes into trading. Like most people can't even buy the Nasdaq right now, and it is
Dude,
freaking up 3%. It is up $3. Yeah, 0.5% overnight right now.
I've been crazy to buy this. Yeah, why don't we just do a live trade right now?
On the old Nasdaq.
Yep. Let's wait. We're gonna look for our entry.
Last week when this happened, I expected the markets to open red on Monday, and they did not. The SPY is up a 1/4% on the overnight, and even the Dow is up. They're all up right now on the overnight, which is wild. The peace deal did not go through. Let me check. Robinhood tends to have better price tracking on stocks on the overnight trading. And yeah, they're all surging right now. That's freaking crazy. Except for Kodak. Kodak is down. So only some stocks trade on the overnight, and it's usually like well-established stocks that have a high liquidity market. Palantir's up 160. Remember when we first shouted out Palantir? It was $15.
Oh yeah, that was crazy.
I told my mom to buy it $15. She didn't listen to me.
Damn.
Yeah, she'd have a 1,050% gain right now if she just bought the stock. I told her to buy the options. I told her buy the $37 calls for 2026, which went up like
This thing's out of control, dude.
10,000%. Yeah, it's insane, dude.
Just like panic buy in,
Would you buy in
right?
one? Okay.
All right. All right. All right. Okay. Risking $68.
Why not? That's a beautiful thing about the NASDAQ. It's not like Bitcoin.
It moves a lot smoother.
Yeah. Yep. Well, you got to think it's a conglomeration of tech stocks. So, I mean, as long as there's headwinds for tech, life is good. Oh, yeah. Zora is surging right now, too. Surging. The green candle that just got printed is bigger than anything they have seen in a week. That is wild. So, Bitcoin has to be going nuts right now, dude. Nope.
Right?
You heard it here first. We were talking about Zora when we jumped on stream. It is literally up 5% since we started talking about it. And it is going parabolic right now. That is crazy, dude. It's a good trade.
See this type of price action. Sometimes you just jump in and you're like, "Yep, it's just gonna go there."
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, that's how we trade this the Nasdaq.
Yeah. And
Going to new all-time highs.
yep, I'm out of Zora. This way
He's out.
I got plenty of dry powder for tomorrow. Another profitable trade. I'll be eyeing that one up though in the coming days for a possible high liquidity thing. But for this week, I'm gonna concentrate on the equities, my bread and butter, and hope Snail goes over $1 again.
You can only hope, right?
No. That's a solid trade with plenty of fundamentals going for it, you know. So,
I should have waited for this Nasdaq trade here.
is it starting to?
Yeah, I could have gotten a better entry. I was patient.
Yep.
Sometimes you're just like, screw it, you know?
That's the futures market though too. It's not the actual index. So, because right now that it's at the same spot, basically. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. Because the actual overnight trading on the index is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
It's just
doing.
gonna do its thing.
Yeah, it's not doing what this is doing. It is holding steady. But yeah, yeah, I'm thinking about putting in my 2 weeks notice at work tomorrow.
Oh man.
Or maybe I'll do like the sleazy thing. Cause dude, they switched us from first shift to third shift, and I do not do well on third shift anymore. So if
Screw it, right? It's yeah.
I get paid every 3 weeks, so if I stay on for the
All
next 2 weeks, I can get a full paycheck 3 weeks from now, and that's after having a week off. So basically, I can fund my life for the next month and a half, 2 months, no problem. If I just
nice.
stay on for the next 2 weeks and tell them I'm going on vacation, and then I'll have like a week to two of a buffer where I'm day trading. And if it doesn't work out, I just go back to work.
With all your vacation time lost.
I don't get vacation time. I'm a subcontractor. That's why I get
Oh,
paid every 3 weeks. So,
that's nice.
so it's like no, it's nice in some ways. I have to pay 15% to FICA because I'm self-employed technically. So that part's not nice. I have control over my whole life completely, and I make substantially more than the W-2 guys do, like substantially more. But at the end of the day, I have no vacation time, no 401k, yada yada yada.
Yeah, no benefits.
Nope. I gotta pay my own
You have
taxes.
insurance?
Huh?
You have insurance?
I pay for my own insurances, but
Yeah, that sucks.
not really. So your typical liability business insurance is very cheap, especially for commercial work, which is crazy because that's where people sue. Like HIC
Yeah.
insurance is actually more expensive than commercial insurance.
Hmm.
So renovating grocery stores, I'm paying $550 a year. When I was doing roofs, I was paying $2,500 a year for business insurance.
I'm talking about health insurance.
I pay that out of pocket too. Yeah, it's about
Yeah,
800 a month, bud.
exactly.
Oh yeah, oh yeah,
Sucks.
yeah. It's whatever. There's a couple months recently where I paid for it with investing profits, so can't
Oh,
complain.
something to keep in mind.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's one of those things. It's a trade-off. So
You don't even need health insurance, dude.
yeah, I do
I'm a
right now.
skydiver. I don't even have health insurance.
I know
Nah.
you're signing up for that crap at work right now.
I will soon.
Yeah, I know you're gonna jump on it right away.
Yeah, I'll jump on it for sure.
Oh, I don't blame you, because it's like, dude, out of pocket right now. I'm just paying out of pocket to the chiropractor right now, like crazy. So,
Yeah,
luckily, it goes against my deductible.
I should probably go to the chiropractor.
It's good. It's good. Um, I've noticed a difference for sure.
Hmm.
My problem is it's my neck, so it's like it affects my balance and stuff.
Hmm.
So that part sucks, but I'm a man. I just deal with it. Keep going to work.
Yeah, I was gonna say, have you taken any Triactin?
Try acting.
Yeah,
Try.
Triactin, not like a bitch. I can't take credit for that one. It was like said to me at the drop zone. I'm like,
Oh,
damn.
that's funny, dude. Because like I haven't missed a single shift at work. I'm just like, you know what? If I die, I die. Just keep going in.
Yeah, right. Sometimes you just gotta keep going.
Working on 50 feet in the air on a articulating boom lift, and
Yeah,
it's
but you got a harness. You're
yeah.
fine.
Oh yeah. OSHA. I'm wearing a hard hat, even though there's nothing above me.
Yeah. Well, I wear a helmet when I jump out of an airplane. So
That makes sense. As long as you're not wearing a helmet when you go to a restaurant.
well, that way they can at least have like an open casket at my funeral. No.
Jesus. Oh, that's true. That is actually very true. Oh, good times. Yeah. How do I bring it back to us?
I should have waited for that entry, but
Yeah.
oh well.
What are you gonna do? That's what happens. Sunday night. We've had all weekend to rest up. We're a little crazy right now.
Right.
Deal with it.
Yeah.
I will be doing a day trading live stream tomorrow morning. I'm probably gonna start a little earlier than normal
Yeah.
because of the trends I've noticed in the markets. It's like, okay, we're gonna start pre-market. I'm hoping to get it booted up at 7 a.m. So hopefully that doesn't bite me in the booty.
Mike's trading pre-market.
I'm gonna watch it. I'm not making any promises. I like waiting till 9:30, like for the reasons I told you earlier. It's just more stable, less insane.
Yeah.
If I find an ideal opportunity to jump in at 7 a.m., I'm doing it. You can all
Sounds
watch.
like a plan.
Yeah, you can watch me scramble on the live stream to set up that limit order. So yeah, but are we gonna do a Monday night live stream?
Yeah, I don't think I got anything going on.
Yeah, I mean we can do it any day. Oh crap, I'm an idiot. I'm on third shift this week. So if because of our time zone issue, I might not be able to do a live stream till Friday again. But
No, that's how it goes. You just got to quit your job now.
yeah, no, I'm ready. I'm ready. Right now, I just kind of it's
I'm
like
not influencing you to do it, but
I just want to set up 2 weeks of insurance. So if I go in for 2 more weeks, I can set up insurance. And I know my boss is not watching this, so
they come in tomorrow. It's like, so I've seen the live stream.
he's got kids, dude. He's got he's making dinner and stuff, you know.
I mean, if he's yeah, he's definitely not day trading.
No,
That's for sure.
no, he is not. He is not into that at all, dude. Most people aren't. Most people aren't into actively trading their own funds. They're afraid of the prospect. They're scared at every aspect of
Misinformed.
it. Huh?
They're mostly misinformed about the subject.
Yeah. Yeah. And I try to explain it to people and they look at me like I'm crazy, dude. They look at me
They're like talking a different language.
exactly. And it's like it's really not that hard. Not financial advisor, but like my dad used to do it. He got screwed once, maybe twice, bad entries, chasing a parabolic pattern and, got out at a loss and then just never did it again. And it's like, yeah,
That's a lot of people's story.
yeah, yeah,
You know, it's the people who decide to like stick around and be like, no, I'm actually gonna figure this out. Those are the people who become real traders
yeah. I mean,
in the long run. It might take a little bit longer for some people, but if you put enough work in and you keep showing up, eventually it will work out.
I honestly, it's like I was making that that comparison to skydiving. It's like skydiving. So few people actively trade with their own funds. Like so few people skydive that if you skydive and you do it every weekend, you're skydiving more than the top 1% of people. If you trade without fail every week, you're trading more than the top 1% of people.
Was it? I think I have a C license, so I'm the number 58958, so 58,000. I'm like a member of pretty much 59,000 people
In
who have,
America?
yeah, a C license.
Yeah, and there's 400 million people in America.
There's a lot more people with an A license or B license, but to stick around and be able to go through the process of doing the C, and then there's D license. So
The D?
yeah, that's the last one.
Oh,
Well, no, you can get your pro rating. That's way harder.
so it's
That's like
A
1,000 jumps.
so it's A B C D. D
Yeah,
is
and
the
then you go to
highest,
your pro rating.
and then E, prorated.
Yeah, but that's like you have to have like a certain number of accuracy landings, and they have to be filmed, and they have to be consecutive after one after another, and they have to be observed by like somebody.
Damn.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's like a video game, bro. You're just like progressing through the levels.
Like, yeah, video game in life.
Yeah.
It's sick.
If you treat your life like a video game, you'll probably get farther in life than most people. Just like everything, going to the gym, finances, like treat it like a video game.
You can do whatever you want.
Every
Whatever
day
you,
you spawn in.
just go. It's like, how did I start rock climbing? I started watching YouTube videos, and then I was like, well, I know of a rock climbing gym. I started hanging out there, and I met some cool people, and some of those people changed my life and had me go down the trajectory of the life you see now, which is crazy.
Right?
So it's like you can meet people, and it's crazy how fast your life can change when you meet one person or two people or different people. Now I met a guy, Joey, who has the same jump numbers as me, is just as motivated, but is also a base jumper. So it's like it's crazy. It's
Yeah.
crazy. Now I'm gonna achieve that dream.
I mean, even if you don't meet a new person, if you just 30 days, if you dedicate yourself to improving your life for 30 days, you can astronomically change the trajectory of your life. Like, like 30-day mindset shift challenge. I'm doing that right now.
Right? And it's crazy how much you can change your life, and that's pretty much how I got to where I am now. It's like skydiving was extremely hard to get through, especially because of how scared I was throughout getting licensed.
Oh yeah, yeah, I can
So,
imagine.
and I wasn't really prepared to do that. I was kind of like along for the ride with somebody, and it was like, we'll probably just do this for a little bit and then lose interest. But then it just kind of turned into the whole thing. It was like, I'm gonna get my A license. Once I get my A license, then I'm gonna take a break. And then some crazy stuff happened in my life, and it turned out to be like skydiving is like my release from stress, so to speak. It's the
Nice.
best thing for me.
Hey, I mean, if it works, bro.
Right? It's like, people go to the gym, for that kind of stuff. I like to skydive or rock climb, or like be on the edge, like just
Hey,
something to it.
I'm not judging. Definitely not judging.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to get you to jump out of a plane. That's all.
Yeah, I mean, I'll do it with you, cause then that way I'll just be like, you get to call my mom.
Yeah. We'll live stream it from the air.
Oh Jesus.
That'd be great.
Oh, good times.
I could get the Meta glasses on.
Do you,
We'll start the live stream in the plane.
do you have those?
I can get some. I'll just borrow my buddy Mike's. Yo, Mike, let me borrow the Meta glasses.
Mike?
Yeah, he's a skydiving friend of mine.
There's mics everywhere, man.
Yeah, a lot of Mikes.
We're all awesome.
Yeah. Not too many Corys.
No. No.
No.
Mike was the most popular name for like 20 years.
Yeah, or like Nick.
Yeah.
That's another one. Nick.
Nick's
Everybody
a weird
knows
one,
Nick.
dude. I know some awesome Nicks, and I know some people that I call Nick the.
Or Mitch.
I know not a single good Mitch.
And we just lost a bunch of subscribers.
Are you thinking of the same Mitch from the town we grew up in?
Oh yeah, well yeah, there's that guy. There is that Mitch, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's pretty much every Mitch I've ever met.
Yeah. I know not a single good one. You know. I've met a couple cool Kyles. Everybody throws shade at Kyles, but
Yeah.
it's unwarranted.
Yeah, I've met some cool Kyles.
Jordan.
Yeah, they're just misunderstood, that's all.
Yeah. Drywall is their mortal enemy. That's why they punch holes in it. Monster is the fuel they need to attain their dreams. That's why they drink it.
Lots of Monster, yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
I feel like Monster was better back in like the early 2000s, and something happened to it.
Well, it's always been high fructose corn syrup. I always look at the sweetener in an energy drink. So that's why I basically don't do any energy drinks anymore. Because the sweetener's trash. It's like the best thing you could do is sugar. Red Bull, Rockstar. Red Bull does have a monk fruit one now. Like monk fruit.
Yeah, I just usually do zero, the Red Bull Zero.
Yeah, but then you're drinking artificial sweetener.
Fuck it.
Sucralose, Splenda. Almost all of them have sucralose in them. And that's not good for the kidneys, bud.
Well, neither is drinking every day. You know, we're all gonna die. You know,
This is true.
only one way out of there. So
This is true.
might as well base jump, skydive, rock climb, drink your whiskey,
Bourbon.
smoke your marijuana,
It's bourbon.
bourbon. I got this nice bourbon. It's like aged in aspen barrels.
Ooh.
Pretty good.
Colorado?
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense.
Locking Co, I think.
Yeah, my
something like
sister
that.
probably has a bottle of that on her dresser. She has like 15 bottles of bourbon on her dresser that she never drinks. I asked
Jeez.
her, I was like, if I want a drink tonight, what can I have? And she said that $30 bottle that my coworkers got me for my birthday, you can drink some of that.
Nice.
I'll be honest with you, it's smoother than anything else she's given me.
Yeah, that was that the bullet bourbon. Those are pretty good.
Yeah, the expensive stuff is rough, dude. Oof.
Have you tried? It's Monkey Fist. That one's pretty good.
No. Usually if I drink whiskey, it's Screwball. Peanut butter whiskey.
That's not whiskey, dude.
It isn't?
Talk about like high fructose corn syrup, dude. That has so much sugar in it.
I drink Screwball and Chambord peanut butter jelly shots.
Yeah, you should drink like half a bottle of that Screwball and then be messed up, dude. Or like, what was it? Is that moonshine? Whatever. It's not really moonshine,
Everclear?
but it's in those jars, and it's like, what was it? The pumpkin spice one or something like that. It was like, or the cinnamon flavor. You know what I'm
Apple
talking about?
cinnamon.
Like
Yeah.
they're in the jars.
Oh yeah, the mason
know?
jars, apple cinnamon. Yeah.
Yeah, Old Smoky. That's what it was.
Yeah. Oh.
Dude. So much sugar, and I would get so messed up on that, dude.
It's because your body's processing the sugar before it starts processing the alcohol. Your liver automatically goes for the sugar first. So it's like you got to burn through that sugar and then you start processing the alcohol. I mean, that's simplified. It's not exactly how it works, but that's why really sugary drinks get people more messed up. Because I can
Dude.
drink a half bottle of tequila, no problem, if I'm drinking it straight. But if I start having margaritas, forget about it.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah, that's why I prefer to just have straight alcohol.
Then people think you're an alcoholic because you can drink a pint, no problem.
Yeah, gotta be careful with that.
You don't drive. Just don't drive.
Yeah, definitely don't drive.
That is financial advice. Don't drive drunk.
Yeah, don't drive drunk. Don't get behind the wheel if you've been drinking. But
Call Uber. But yeah, that's probably a good point to leave it on, you know? Don't drive drunk.
yeah, that's a good lesson.
Yeah, I gotta
We'll
go
leave it off there.
cook a steak.
So we thinking Friday?
Yeah, unfortunately, bud. I know it's gonna suck. I will try to do day trading live streams throughout the course of the week, depending on how work goes. Because we have a super easy job. Like we're probably gonna be watching dudes work 3 out of 5 days a week.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, yeah. So that's
Yeah.
the only reason we agreed to do third shift for 2 weeks. So I will be signing on here at 8 in the morning. Like, so we got some stocks going on.
Yeah, put the coffee on the pot.
I don't drink coffee anymore.
Oh, do whatever you need to do.
Oh yeah,
Cold
nicotine.
plunge.
No,
Yeah.
I have an all natural pre-workout. I do ginkgo, all that good stuff. We're next level over here, bro. 38
Yeah.
now. I gotta do something, you know.
Yeah, I just drink espresso. I just go.
Nice.
But all right, this has been the Manic Money Finance channel. I'm Crypto Corey.
I'm Money Mike.
And make sure you hit the like and subscribe.
Smash it.
Peace out, guys.